Happy Halloween, Trailblazers. My trick are keyboard shortcuts. If you don't know what shortcuts you can use, here's the only one you need to remember. Control on Windows, Command on a Mac, plus a slash, tells you everything you need to know. Whether that's going into Quick Edit, Save, Open and Close Notes, the search, or to get this menu up. Enjoy.
You asked me for a Halloween treat. Do yourself a favour, document your work, which means that agents can then read that documentation and just make you so much more effective.
Hi, I'm Megan, Junior Salesforce Admin at Elements.cloud. My Salesforce trick is to utilise the Favourites functionality to create shortcuts to pages that you use the most. This is especially useful for reports and dashboards. Happy Halloween!
Like me, you struggle to get complex thoughts into clarity and turn those things into ways of working, then I can highly recommend Elements GPT process diagram generation for you. For example, step 1, Christine becomes emotionally vulnerable. Activity number 1, assume Angel of Music persona. Outcome of activity, begin secret vocal tutoring. Input to next activity, manipulate opera house management. And so on and so forth. I can highly recommend Elements GPT process diagram generation to simplify all your complexity.
Hello, Trailblazers. My Halloween trick for you this year is an old favourite. When you're in Salesforce and you want to switch between objects, you can use the object ID prefix to quickly switch between objects. So 001 is account, and other numbers to different objects. 003 is our good friend contact. And we could look at the case object, which is spookily 500. Happy Halloween.
Halloween treat. If you use AI on your metadata, it'll make you 1,000 times more effective. That's got to be better than candy.
Hello, my name's Rory and my Salesforce trick is always configuring production.